Good morning students. As in previous video, I have taught you that if the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, there will be no change in the tense of the speech, only pronouns are changed. I have told you the rules. If there is a certain sentence, how it is changed to indirect speech. I have told you interrogative sentence if there is, how you change it to indirect speech. You have studied this. Today, I will teach you if the reporting verb is in the past tense, how you will change. In previous video, I have told you if there is reporting verb in the past tense, the tense of reported speech is also changed. And some other words like can is changed to could, may change to might, and other words also will be noted down. They are changed. I have told you that simple present tense will go in simple past, present continuous tense will go in past continuous tense, present perfect tense will go in past perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense will go in past perfect continuous tense, and simple past will go in past perfect, past continuous will go in past perfect continuous tense. There will be no change in the past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. You have studied. Another words like yesterday is changed to the previous day, tomorrow is changed to the following day or the next day, and now is changed to then, today is that day. Like that, many more words you have noted down. Today I will give you example of that. See, he said to me, comma, I went to school yesterday. See this sentence. He said to me, I went to school yesterday. In this sentence, you will see that said reporting verb is found in past tense. According to the rule, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of reported speech is changed. How it is changed? According to the rule. Here, I went to school is simple past. Simple past will go into past perfect. And here one word has come yesterday. Yesterday changed to the previous day. So that you have rule I have told you. Now see, and this sentence is assertive. It is affirmative sentence. So said to be changed to told, and after the movement comma that is used. Let's see. It's an answer. He told me that. He told me that. I is the first person pronoun. I have told you the rules. 1, 2, 3 upon S-O-N. First person pronoun is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Second person pronoun is changed according to the object of reporting verb. And there will be no change in the third person pronoun. Here first person pronoun I has come. It will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb he. See the case, I is in the subjective case, so he is also in the subjective case, so he will be there. Here simple past tense is there, it will go into past perfect. He had gone to school. Yesterday changed to the previous day. The previous day. This is the answer. This is the answer. Question is, he said to me, I went to school yesterday. Answer, he told me that he had gone to school the previous day. This is the answer. One more example we will take. She said to us, comma, will you help me? It is interrogative sentence? Question mark. It is interrogative sentence? And interrogative sentence starts with helping or will. In this case, set will tend to ask, and after a movement comma, if or whether is used, I have already told you the rule. Now see, answer, she asked us after movement comma if or whether, because this sentence is interrogative and it starting with helping verb. If here you have some, you is second person pronoun and second person pronoun is changed according to the object of reporting verb. Object of reporting verb is here us, means you is changed according to us. It will be changed. You is a subjective case. Will you help me? You is in place of subject. So subjective case of us will be written. Subjective case of us is we. If we, here will word has come, it will be changed to would. If we would, help, another pronoun me has come. Me is first person pronoun. First person pronoun is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb is she, means me is changed according to she. It will be changed according to she. See the case. Me in objective case. So objective case of she will be her. This is the answer. She said to us, "Will you help me?" She asked us if we could help her. This is the answer. In this way, students, I have told you that if the reporting verb is found in the past tense, the tense of reported speech is changed according to the rule that I have told you. Now, today I will teach you imperative sentence. If there is imperative sentence in reported speech, how will you change? This rule today I will teach you. Now write down these are, then further I will teach you. Above side I am writing. Heading write down imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, write down. Imperative sentence. You have studied that the sentence in which order, request or advice, any of these three is found, that sentence is known as imperative sentence. Here either order will be given, request will be made or advice is given to someone. This type of sentence is known as imperative sentence. So different rules are there. First of all I will tell you, if there is order in the sentence, how will you change to indirect speech? Now see. Rule write down. Rule. Write down the rule. If rule first. If there is order in the sentence, if there is order in the sentence, if there is order in the sentence, we change set to into order, set to into order, we change set into order and we use to PO after removing inverted comma. After removing inverted comma. This is it. If there is order in the sentence, we change set into order and we use to after removing inverted comma. Let's see example. The teacher said to the students, comma, go to the field. Go to the field. See the sentence? The teacher said to the students, go to the field. Here the teacher is giving order. So this rule is followed. If there is order in the sentence, we change set into order. Let's see its answer. The teacher ordered, the teacher ordered the students. After removing comma, to is used. Here I have written is to go to the field. To go to the field. This is the answer. Question is, the teacher said to the students, go to the field. Here order is found. The teacher ordered the students to go to the field. This rule is followed. Students, the second rule now write. This is the first you have to write. Write down this rule, then write down the second rule. Second rule I will tell you if there is. But students, one thing more. Students, order is given. Here the order is given. But this order is given to do something. But if the order is given for not doing something, so then other rule is followed. Now see, write down this rule, then the second rule write down. Write down the second rule. If the order is given for not doing something, we change. If the order is given for not doing something, we change set to into order and we use not to after removing inverted comma. After removing inverted comma. This is the rule. Rule is, if the order is given in the sentence, for not doing something, we change set into order and we use not to after removing inverted comma. See the example of this rule. See the example. The principal said to the students, students, one thing more. In this rule, something is left. What is left? Something is also there. We remove don't. This was left. Now see the answer of this question. See the question, example. The principal said to the students, said to the students, the principal said to the students, don't pluck flowers, don't pluck flowers. See the question. The principal said to the students, don't pluck flowers. This is the question. Students, in this question you find that the order is given for not doing something. Principal is telling to the students that they should not pluck flowers. So in this type of sentence, if you are going to change into indirect speech, said to change to order according to the rule that I have noted down here. You should also write down this. See the answer. The principal ordered the students, after moving inverted comma, not to use, not to. After moving comma, not use, not to. So the principal ordered the students not to pluck the flowers, not to pluck flowers. This is the answer. The principal said to the students, don't pluck flowers. The principal ordered the students not to pluck flowers. So in this way, students, if there is a order for not doing something, here it is not clear. You should write your side. The principal ordered the students. The principal ordered the students. Here not clear. So your side I am writing. Not to pluck the flowers. The answer is not clear here below. Write down further. The principal ordered the students not to pluck the flowers. Not to pluck flowers. This is the answer. Students, next rule write down. Next rule. In the next rule you will study. In the next rule you will find if see in the next rule 2. In imperative sentence, rule number 2 write down. If there is the next rule is there, means this sentence can be changed to next other way. This rule that you have noted down, rule first, apart from this sentence, this type of sentence can be changed to indirect speech by applying next rule. That is the rule next. That is rule 2. Means what? Set to change to ordered and known. Set to change to ordered. Second rule says if there is order in the sentence for not doing something, we change shall to into, we change shall to into harvard, F-O-R-B-A-D, harvard, and we use to, P-O, after removing inverted comma, do you know? Another rule is there, if there is order in the sentence or not doing something, we change set into Harvard and we use to after removing inverted comma. We remove the word, don't word is removed. This is the rule. Now let's see the example of this type of rule. Let's see the example. Example arrow side again. You should write. The manager said to the peon, the manager said to the peon, don't sit here. Don't sit here. Let's see this. The manager said to the peon, don't sit here. It is order for not doing there, for not doing something is not to sit there. So answer will be, let's follow this rule. Set to be into order not forward. The manager forward the peon, forward the peon. After inverted comma not to, the manager forward the peon to sit. Here is changed to there. If we have not written earlier, they should write. Here will be changed to there. The manager forward the peon to sit there. Here will be changed to there. Yes. In this way, students, you have studied. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then the tense of reported speech is changed. And in imperative sentence, you have studied if there is an order given to do something or for not doing something. How it is changed to indirect speech, you will study. Further, how it is changed, I will tell you next day. Thank you.